Hey guys, what's up? I'm Elizabeth. We are here for week 8 of our tiny changes that will lead to your big results. But if you're just joining me here for the first time, welcome. You don't need to catch up. Everything you need to know is down in the description for this video. So my tiny change I have for you this week is to drop one bad habit. You already know what your bad habits are that are holding you back, that are making you unhappy, whatever they might be. In my blog post that's linked below about this tiny change, I have I think 4 step-by-step examples of the most common bad habits that I see people run into when they're trying to make health and fitness related changes in their lives, and like step-by-step how to go through it. But since I have you here on video, I want to talk about the biggest mistake people make in general when trying to change a bad habit. I also want to say you don't need to start with your biggest, baddest, hardest habit, okay? You could drop one little bad habit this week. Good for you. So the mistake people make when they're trying to change a bad habit or form a new habit is that they say, I don't want this, rather than saying what they're going to do instead. So they say, I don't want to eat takeout 6 nights a week anymore, instead of saying, so I'm going to cook at home instead. They just leave it at that. Well, the solution's not going to form itself. And here's the problem, just sticking with that example, saying that you're going to cook dinner at home 6 nights a week instead of getting takeout is a big change, because it's not just those 6 nights where you're going to cook for yourself. It's getting the groceries into the house. It's knowing what you're going to cook. It's having the time to do the cooking and wash the dishes afterward, and the pots and pans and everything. And what are you going to do with the leftovers? Are you going to take them for lunch? Are there going to be leftovers? There's a lot of logistics. Now it's turning into your Sunday nights not being for catching up on that show you like, but now you have to do meal prep, or you have to leave work on time so that you can eat, cook and eat the food in the evening, or you need to wake up early on Saturday to make it to the grocery store, and you need to make your list Friday night so that you're ready to go because you don't like being around crowds of people, or you're going to order your groceries online so you have to plan farther ahead, right? These little changes that we say we want to make, these bad habits, we end up sticking with them because we're already in that rut or that groove in our life. We've set ourselves up to include this habit. So be patient with yourself, be gentle, take your tiny change this week step by step. Identify the bad habit, identify what you're going to replace it with, and then make sure you're really supporting yourself through that change. Don't set yourself up to do something impossible. Don't say you're going to go from being a total couch potato to training for a marathon successfully in the next week. You need shoes, you need a plan, you might need a coach, you might need someone to review your form. If you're a woman, you definitely need one of these to keep everything from, right? Okay, So be gentle, be patient, don't overwhelm yourself, don't underestimate what you actually need to be supported in that change, and get yourself the support that you need. Don't let that turn you off from making a change either. Just get yourself the support that you need, because it's worth it to make the changes that you know that you want and need to make in your life. Just get it done and get it going so that you can get your results even sooner. So take this tiny change challenge with me this week, drop one bad habit, and if you want to, leave me a comment down below and let me know what bad habit you're dropping or what help you need in dropping a bad habit. If you're not sure what to replace it with or where to get started, leave me a comment. I'll do my best. And have a great week. I'll see you here next week for week 9. Remember, if you haven't been with us all 8 weeks, it's okay. You don't have to catch up. Just join us where you are. You can start over again in a few weeks. We're halfway through. I'm doing 16 of these tiny changes for the summer because it's summer where I live right now. But you can join me no matter what season it is and no matter what season you are personally in. So be healthy, be strong, and I'll see you soon.